Let me ask you this. Did you pass through a problem and then, after months or years, found a solution, but then wished that you had the solution earlier because it would have saved you a lot of time? You must have heard of the phrase time is money. Every minute you spend searching for something is costing you something else in return. And because I was in your shoes, I created this online course that will help you both in learning Turkish and save you all the time you spend researching. I've prepared for those who are serious and want to invest in themselves a course called Practical Steps to Learning Turkish. When you register to this course, you will receive all the following: instant access to the course, which includes the practical steps you need to start taking now that will give you a head start from those who are learning Turkish, lots of free resources that include books, educational websites, apps, stories, social media pages, downloadable Turkish dialogue books, and where to find free Turkish activities that you can join and participate in using the Zoom platform. A separate section that contains the updates of the new resources and materials that I will add to the course continuously, lifetime access to the course. Also, you can contact me anytime for your inquiries. Believe me, you don't want to miss this opportunity. It is all what you need now to help you learn Turkish efficiently without wasting a minute of your time. If you want to know more about this course, just click on the link that is below this video.